Jesus! Hello everybody and welcome to another perch fishing episode. Now in the autumn, perch becomes less active, it keeps the deeper areas, so today I will be fishing from my kayak to reach those areas. I'm at a beautiful lake hidden in the woods, a little bit remote from Gothenburg here in Sweden. The lake is really amazing and I always enjoy fishing here, and I used to catch pretty nice perch at this lake. Let's go! We'll start my fish finder. Today we'll be fishing with a drop shot, and we'll start with these soft plastics, 7.5 centimeters, but I also have the other ones, 6 centimeters. If you remember my previous episode about kayak fishing for perch with a drop shot, you will remember these lures. I really love them. They are actually designed for rainbow trout, but I will tell you a little bit later why I will switch between these two. I got right away. Ooh. Oh, that's Spike. I was aiming for perch, but I caught my first fish of the day, which is pike, and caught it on drop shot. That's a small pike. .52 legal size pike. Well, that was nice. First fish of the day. But today I'm targeting perch. Fish on. And that's the right fish. No, actually, could be a little bit larger, but this guy found this lure pretty tasty. I will let you go right away. Fish on. And I think this is pike. Oh, Jesus. Yes. And here you are. But it cut my fluorocarbon leader. That's a decent pike. Let's give it a quick measure. 67 centimeters. So my lure is destroyed and the line is cut. But actually that's great that I managed to keep it. Well, I expected to catch some pike, but today I'm interested in perch. Fish on. That's perch, for sure. And look at this, a small perch of around 15 centimeters inhaled the whole 7.5 centimeter lure. Fish on. No, I lost it. I'm drifting all the time, so I'm thinking to take an anchor. Fish on. And another perch. Beautiful tiny perch with a small black dot here. Well guys, I just landed at this tiny island. There is my kayak over there, and right over there there are pretty nice mushrooms. One here, two other over there, really beautiful ones. Now I've been fishing for a while with this soft plastic. Time to change to another one. And the reason behind is pretty simple. Especially when I fish from the shore, I cast, I get a couple of perch, and then they stop biting. Then I change the lure, cast at the same spot, and they start biting again. So it looks like perch get used to a certain lure. That's why I will just change to another one and keep fishing at the same spot. Fish on. No, I lost it. It was a very nice fish. What was that? I think it was perch. Right away when I changed the lure. Fish on. Another small perch. Fish on. No, this is not serious. Come on. Bye bye, buddy. Fish on. That's a little bit better. And I even will net it. Even though it's not a huge one. That's a little bit better. Not a monster, but really beautiful. With this perch, which is the largest for today, I tell you goodbye, thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.